When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write U, go up, stop, come back down, round, back up, stop, and straight back down. Let's see how it looks in a word. Under is written like this. Duck is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital U, draw a line down, round and back up. The word under with a capital U is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.